Today I am going to discuss about the objective types of question answer like MCQ, true or false, fill in the blanks, match the pairs correctly like that. Okay, of standard 7 SS chapter 8 lecture 5th. Once again I repeat, chapter 8 standard 7 SS lecture 5th. First question, that is multiple choice question MCQ. Okay, many options will be given and from that you have to choose one answer. Okay, number one, in which year Nasiruddin came to the throne of Delhi? In which year Nasiruddin came to the throne of Delhi? We know Qutbuddin Aibak came in 1206. After him, Iltutmish became the king. After Iltutmish, Rajia Sultan became the king. After Rajia, Nasiruddin. Okay, so here options are given in 1246 CE, 1256 CE, 1206 CE, and 1216. My dear student, in 1206, Qutbuddin Aibak was there. Okay, so this is the wrong here. After him, in 1236 something, okay, in 1236 something, Rajia Sultan came, and after Rajia Nasiruddin came. So here correct answer is 1246. In the year 1246 CE, Nasiruddin became the king. Okay, he came to the throne of Delhi. Got it? Next, on the banks of which river was Vijayanagar founded? Okay, we know that with the inspiration of Vidyarana, Swami Vidyarana, Harihara and Bukkarai, they founded, okay, Vijayanagar. And my dear student, it was founded on the bank of which river? Here options are given: Bhima river, Krishna river, Narmada river, and Tungabhadra. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is Tungabhadra. Okay, on the bank of river Tungabhadra, they founded Vijayanagar, and within 8 years, they expanded the rule till Kanyakumari. Got it? So, on the bank of which river? Tungabhadra. Okay, Harihara and Bukka, brothers of Jadhav clan. Brothers of Jadhav clan. Okay. Who founded Mughal dynasty in Delhi? Who was the founder of Mughal dynasty? My dear student, when Babur attacked on India, Ibrahim Lodi was there. Who was there? Ibrahim Lodi. And it was the year 1526. 1526. So, who founded Mughal dynasty? Babur. Okay? By defeating Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat. First battle of Panipat. Okay? So, who founded Mughal dynasty? Babur. In which year? 1526. In the year 1526. And whom he had defeated? He had defeated Ibrahim Lodi. Ibrahim Lodi. Okay. So Lodi dynasty was ended and Mughal dynasty started. Okay. Who founded Khilji dynasty in Delhi? Khilji dynasty in Delhi. We know after Ghulam dynasty. After Ghulam dynasty, Khilji dynasty, it came. Okay. And who was the founder? Correct. Jalaluddin Khilji. He was belonged to Khilj province of Afghanistan. Okay. And that's why they are known as a Khilji. They are known as Khilji. And after Jalaluddin, Alauddin Khilji came. Okay. So who founded Khilji dynasty in Delhi? Answer is Jalaluddin. Okay. Remember, it looks similar. Jalaluddin, Alauddin, Ghiyasuddin, Nasiruddin. So normally you will find last word. Okay, this words Uddin. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, remember the things. Got it? So Jalaluddin established. Okay, started means he was the founder of Khilji dynasty in Delhi. Next, who founded Sayyid dynasty? Who founded Sayyid dynasty in Delhi? My dear student, from Lahore province. Okay, governor Khijra Khan. What was the name? Khijra Khan. Khijra Khan founded Sayyid dynasty in Delhi. Got it? Who was that? Khijra Khan. Next one, who founded Tughlaq dynasty or Tughlaq dynasty? Tughlaq or Tughlaq. If A is written here, don't worry. If U is there, then no problem. Same meaning. Okay. So who founded Tughlaq dynasty in Delhi? The correct answer is Ghiyasuddin. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Okay. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq founded Tughlaq dynasty. In that dynasty, Muhammad Tughlaq later on came. Muhammad Tughlaq, and he introduced two schemes: shifting capital from Delhi to Daulatabad, and the use of copper currency instead of silver. Okay, so that we are not remembering, but here we are asking about the founder, and that's why the correct answer is Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Got it? So my next exercise is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Blank completed the construction of Qutub Minar. We know Qutub Minar. The name Qutub Minar comes from Qutubuddin Aibak. Qutubuddin Aibak started the construction of Qutub Minar, but before it completed, he died. So his work was completed by his son-in-law Iltutmish. Who was that? Iltutmish. So Iltutmish completed the construction of Qutub Minar. Got it? Second one. Blank was a capable minister of Bahmani state. Blank was a capable minister of Bahmani state. He was Muhammad Gawan. Who was that? Muhammad Gawan was a capable minister of Bahmani state. Next, Amir Khusro. Amir Khusro was a famous poet in the court of blank. In the court of Alauddin Khilji. Who was that? Alauddin Khilji. If you have seen the movie Padmavat, you will get this information. Okay. So Amir Khusro was a great poet in the court of Alauddin Khilji. Got it? Next, Blank was enthroned after Rajia Sultan. We know after the death of Rajia Sultan, there was chaos. Okay, and my dear student, after her, Nasiruddin, who became the king? Nasiruddin was enthroned after Rajia Sultan. Next, Blank founded Ghulam dynasty in India. My dear student, very first paragraph is there. Okay, second paragraph. It is written there. When the information is given in the book, second paragraph, very first line. Okay, Blank founded Ghulam dynasty in India. Who was that? Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak founded the Ghulam dynasty in India. He was the slave of Shahabuddin Gori. After Shahabuddin Gori, we have slave dynasty, Ghulam dynasty. Got it? Next one. Match the pairs correctly. Here I have written one side the name, famous kings or founder, and second side dynasties are there. They are belong to which dynasty? Maybe founder or belong to which dynasty? Okay. So here Iltutmish was belong to he was belong to Ghulam dynasty. Okay, in Ghulam dynasty if you consider about Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, Razia Sultan, Nasiruddin, okay, they are belong to Ghulam dynasty. Got it? Now Jalaluddin. Jalaluddin was from Khilji dynasty. He was from Khilji dynasty, and after Jalaluddin, Alauddin came. Okay, so instead of Jalaluddin, if Alauddin is written, then also the same answer, Khilji dynasty. Okay, instead of Iltutmish, if Qutbuddin Aibak is written, then also Ghulam dynasty. Okay, next Ghiyasuddin. Here some don't mix up. Okay, Ghiyasuddin was in a slave dynasty, and one is here, but here it is belong this person Ghiyasuddin was belong to Tughlaq dynasty. Okay, remember, don't mix up. Two times the name comes, but this Ghiyasuddin, he was belong to Muhammad Tughlaq. Sorry, Tughlaq dynasty. Okay, Ghiyasuddin and Muhammad Tughlaq both were belong to Tughlaq dynasty. Sikandar Lodi, name is already there. Sikandar Lodi, obviously that belong to Lodi dynasty. Hassan was the founder of Bahamani dynasty, Bahamani state. Okay, so got it. Iltutmish, Ghulam dynasty. Jalaluddin, Khilji dynasty. Ghiyasuddin, Tughlaq dynasty. Sikandar, Lodi dynasty. Hassan, Bahamani dynasty. Khijra Khan from Lahore side, okay, belong to Sayyid dynasty, founder. And last one, Babur was belong to Mughal dynasty, and after that more than 200 years something, the Mughal dynasty, they rule in Delhi and many parts of India. Next time we will learn more. Thank you.